Hello, I'm Anthony Hughes. It's very easy to create grace notes in Dorico. Let's have a look at how it's done. While note input is active, pressing this button switches to grace note input, shown by the reduced height of the caret. Then simply choose the note duration you require and input as normal. The caret will not advance to the next rhythmic position, and you can input any number of grace notes before disengaging the button and returning to regular input. Long press the button to choose an unslashed grace note. You can switch to a different note duration during a run of grace notes, just as you would while in regular input. And of course, you can create slurs between grace notes and regular notes. The key command for grace note input is slash, which will toggle it on and off. Hold down Alt while pressing slash to switch between slashed and unslashed grace notes. Outside of note input, use the toolbox button or the slash key command to convert normal notes to grace notes, and grace notes to normal notes. If you wish to retain the durations of subsequent notes, it can be useful to engage insert mode. And there's a preference to control how regular notes move when converted to grace notes. You can also use the Alt/slash key command or long press the toolbox button in order to change existing grace notes from slashed to unslashed, or vice versa. If you would like grace notes to appear before a bar line, for example these notes at the end of a trill, select them, then open the Properties panel in the lower zone and enable the Grace Note Before Bar Line property. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.